Hey everybody, this is Jeremy Evanson with JJ Evanson Art. Today I'm going through the steps of making one of my funky picture frames. I start with a 10-foot long 1x4 straight piece of solid wood. I run it through the table saw to make a rabbet cut, which is the notched area of a picture frame where the glass backing and artwork sits. After that, I cut it using my miter saw at 45 degrees to the desired dimensions, which in this video is an 11x14. I use scrap pieces from cutting the rabbet on the table saw. I cut them to length to dry fit them into the frame before gluing it to make sure there's enough wiggle room for the glass. Then I glue and clamp each corner, being certain to keep a flat, smooth, tight, and gap-free mitered corner. Then I use a hammer to pound in 6 of the 10mm hardwood V-nails per corner. Let it dry overnight, lightly sand the entire frame to remove excess glue. Now it's time to draw the funky outline to cut it out with the bandsaw. To do this, I use the cutouts left over from the previously made frames to get a rough sketch. Using a sliding square, I double check the depth of the curves to make sure they are the same distance all the way around. Before cutting on the bandsaw, I freehand sketch fluid lines around the whole frame using my pencil. Then I cut it out on the bandsaw, following the pencil line, and then smooth out all the curves on the oscillating spindle sander. Then I clamp the frame to a work table and router all of the top edges with the radius round over bit. I orbital sand everything, making a small chamfer on the backside edges, and finish with the hand sanding sponge. If there's any imperfections, I fill them with sandable filler. Blow dust off with the air compressor blower and make sure the entire work area is dust free before painting. Next, I spray 2 coats on the back with a rattle can spray paint and then flip it over to do 2 more coats, sometimes 3 coats for the top coat. Let it dry overnight. When it's dry, I check for blemishes and touch it up if needed. For the final assembly, it involves inserting the glass and backing in the frame and securing it with a tab gun. I use a hardware packet for hanging vertically or horizontally. Lastly, each order is professionally bubble wrapped and boxed for safe transport to your front door. This is what it looks like when it's all done. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe. Comment below to discuss anything about the video, or if you want to see me make a video about another one. So cheers, have a good one, later.